प्रोनाउंस। प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? नाउन के रिपीटेशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए हम जिन वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं उनको प्रोनाउन कहते हैं। तो आज हम इसी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से हम कहाँ पर नाउन के बदले प्रोनाउन को यूज़ करते हैं। लेट्स क्रैक। रानी read recently The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. She has written 2 passages in her notebook. 1. Tom was whitewashing the fence with vigor, but Tom's energy didn't last. Tom began to think of the fun Tom had planned for the day. 2. Tom was whitewashing the fence with vigor, but his energy didn't last. He began to think of the fun he had planned for the day. Now, tick the one which is written in a better way. आपने दोनों पैराग्राफ्स को पढ़ा जो रानी ने लिखा था। उसने टॉम सेवियर की जो बुक है द एडवेंचर ऑफ टॉम सेवियर उसको रीड किया और उस पर बेस्ड जो 2 पैसेजेस हैं वो लिखे हैं। तो आपने पहले वाला पैसेज को भी देखा और सेकंड वाले को भी देखा, तो आपको बेटर कौन सा वाला लगा है? किसको पढ़ने में आपको मज़ा आया है, पहले वाले को या दूसरे वाले को? ऑब्वियसली जो दूसरा वाला पैसेज है उसमें जो टॉम का रिपीटेशन है उसको अवॉइड किया गया है, तो उसको पढ़ने में अच्छा लग रहा है। तो नाउन की जगह हमने जहाँ जहाँ ही का यूज़ किया है टॉम की जगह, वो हमारे सब क्या हैं? प्रोनाउंस। Now read the sentences given below. Anita is a good student. She completes her homework every day. She has many friends. She also plays badminton well. In these sentences, Anita has been replaced by she. आपने देखा बार बार अनिता का यूज नहीं किया गया, अनिता के बदले बाद में she का यूज किया गया. The words which replace nouns are called pronouns. For example, he, she, it, I, you, we, ours, her, his, hers, etc. तो ये सब क्या है? प्रोनाउन है. इनको हम नाउन के बदले यूज करते हैं. Now kinds of pronouns. अब प्रोनाउन कितनी तरह के होते हैं, उसके प्रकार. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Now personal pronouns. Read these sentences. My name is Anjali. I am a doctor. She said she will help me. I thanked her. The highlighted words are personal pronouns. जो highlighted words हैं आपके she, I, ये क्या है आपके personal pronouns. Personal pronouns take place of persons or things in a sentences. They can be used as the subject or the object of the sentences. जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है वो आपके किसी पर्सन का या किसी चीज का प्लेस ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? एंड दे कैन बी यूज्ड एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. आपको सब्जेक्ट की तरह से या ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह से इनको हम ले सकते हैं. द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस डज द एक्शन. द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस रिसीव द एक्शन. जो सब्जेक्ट होगा वो क्या करेगा? एक्शन को करने वाला होगा, डूअर, और ऑब्जेक्ट रिसीवर होगा. नाउ एग्जांपल्स. यू शुड टेल हिम द ट्रूथ. ही गेव मी अ न्यू पेन एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट. इन दीज सेंटेंसेस द वर्ड्स you and he are subject pronouns. The words me and him are object pronouns. जो me और him है वो रिसीव कर रहे हैं, राइट? और you और he doer है, वो एक्शन को करने वाले हैं. Now personal pronouns have 3 persons. इनके 3 persons होते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं देखिए. The person who is speaking is called the first person. The person who is being spoken to is called the second person. The person who is being spoken about is called the third person. जो बोल रहा है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं वो सेकंड पर्सन, और जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है वो he is the third person. Now subject and object. First person singular, I, me. Second person singular, you. Third person singular, he, she, it. Him, her, it is object. First person plural we, object us. Second person plural you, object भी you ही होगा. Third person plural they, them. Now reflexive pronouns. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, herself, himself, itself refer to the subject of the verbs. Such pronouns are called reflexive pronoun. तो himself, yourself, themselves, ourselves अगर होगा तो ये क्या रेफर करते हैं? Subject of the verb. तो ये इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Reflexive pronouns. Now examples. I blame myself for the error. John behaved himself throughout the movie. The cat hurt itself. Now emphatic pronouns. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, herself, himself, itself are used with a noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. Such pronouns are called emphatic pronouns. तो ये myself, ourself, themselves और जो herself, himself का हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ, दे आर जस्ट फॉर द एम्फेसिस पर्पस. तो जो इस तरह के प्रोनाउंस होते हैं इनको क्या कहते हैं? एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस. Examples, you yourself can solve this problem. Sonia herself delivered the letters. Now possessive pronouns. Read these sentences. This desk is mine. The red bottle is his and the blue one is hers. The highlighted words are possessive pronouns. जो highlighted word है जैसे mine, his, ये सब क्या है? Possessive. ये क्या शो कर रहे हैं? Belonging शो कर रहे हैं. तो ये कौन से हैं? Possessive. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. Personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. अब देखिए personal कौन से हैं और possessive कैसे होते हैं. I, me, possessive mine. He, him, she, her, possessive his, hers. We, us, they, them, possessive ours, theirs. You, yours. It, its. तो इस तरह से आप क्या बनाएंगे? Possessive pronoun. Now demonstrative pronouns. Words that stand for a noun and point to it are called demonstrative noun. जो noun के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं और उनको point out करते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. This and these refer to things near at hand. जो this, that, these, those का हम यूज़ करते हैं ये कौन से वाले हैं? ये demonstrative pronouns हैं. तो this और these जो आपकी पास की चीज़ें हैं आप उनके लिए करेंगे यूज़. That and those refer to things lying at a distance. जो दूर का होगा तो that and those. Examples, this is my wristwatch. That is a bag. अब this is my wristwatch को कैसे करेंगे आप? Use these are my notebooks. ये आपका nearness के लिए है. That is a bag, दूर के लिए है, and those are purses, ये भी आपके दूर को जब आप indicate करेंगे तब use करेंगे. Now interrogative pronouns. Words used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, who, what, where, तो ये सब कैसे होते हैं? Interrogative pronouns. What, whom, whose, who, which are interrogative pronouns. Examples: who are those people? What did he buy? Which is your book? Whose pencil is this? Whom do you want to talk to? Now remember, who, whose, whom is used for asking questions about person. इनका use अगर किसी person के बारे में बात हो रही है तो हम करेंगे. What is used for asking questions about things? Which is used for asking questions about a particular person or thing. अगर particular person और thing के बारे में होगा तो हम which का use करेंगे. Now relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to refer a noun used earlier in the sentence. उस noun के लिए हम use करते हैं जो पहले हमने sentence में use किया है. Example: the shirt that Amit bought has a stain. Some examples of relative pronouns are who, whom, whoever, whomever. They are used to refer to people. When we refer to a place, thing, an idea, or animal of unknown gender, we use relative pronouns like which and that. Now practice and polish. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal pronoun. My name is Jessica. I am 10 years old. Tom and I want to be in the football team. We love sports. Sheena is an interesting person. I love chatting with her. We wanted to watch a movie, so mother took us for one. You are my best friend. I will do anything for you. My dog is not very brave. It is scared of cats. The teacher told him that he had done a great job on the test. Write a pronoun and noun for each of the categories given below. Follow the example. अब थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है तो ही और नाम किसका दिया है उसमें? एडम का. तो एडम आपका क्या है? नाउन है. तो इसी तरह से आपको जो सेकंड से लेकर 6 तक सेंटेंसेस हैं उसमें अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको क्या करना है? आपको प्रोनाउन लिखना है उसी कैटेगरी और फिर नाउन लिखना है उसका, वो किसके लिए यूज किया गया है. Fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphatic pronouns. The two brothers are quarreling between themselves. He himself gave the information to his parents. They helped themselves at the dinner table. You should go yourself and look for the lost puppy. She always talks about herself in the party. The queen herself gave away the prizes. We ourselves served the guest. Uma cooked the dinner herself. Fill in the blanks with correct reflexive pronoun. अब यहाँ भी आपको reflexive pronoun को fill करना है. The injured dog dragged itself to the side of the road. Aman forced himself to eat the dosa, though it was not tasty. Nayan hurt himself when he met with an accident. The children hid themselves under a large quilt. You can clean yourself in the washroom over there. Now fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronoun. This is not my crayon, it is his. We bought this house last year, it is ours. This book belongs to mother, it is hers. Please pass me those keys. They are mine. Sarah is looking for her pen. This could be hers. We finished our project, but they haven't finished theirs. Now fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronouns. आपको यहाँ किसका यूज करना है? Demonstrative का. This, that, these, those, इनका. Now number 1 is dash is a beautiful picture. That is a beautiful picture. Second, dash patient was examined by the doctor. This patient was examined by the doctor. These are ripe bananas and mangoes. Next is the pen that has blue ink. This is the pen that has blue ink. Dash were the boys who were rewarded. These were the boys who were rewarded. Fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. अब आपको यहाँ पर questions put up करने हैं. Who is knocking at the door? Dash did you give the letter to? Whom did you give the letter to? What is going to happen next? Who is the captain of the team? By whom were you informed about this matter? Circle the correct relative pronouns in these sentences. अब आपको जो 1 to 10 सेंटेंस दिए हैं, आपको उसमें relative pronouns को सर्कल करना है, तो इसको आप करेंगे. Now fun corner. Use one example of each of the pronoun you learnt in this chapter in sentences of your own. अब आपको जो कुछ भी आपने लर्न किया है प्रोनाउंस को, तो अब आपको यहाँ सेंटेंस बनाने हैं पर्सनल, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, इंटेरोगेटिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव, एम्फेटिक एंड पोसेसिव को. तो इसको आप करेंगे.